Now from here, we are going to create what? We are going to create the camera animation with the help of your movement. Without doing the animation, I'm not going to do the animation. I will create only single animation of the object. Either it will be the box or whatever it is. We are going to connect the camera, the object with the camera. Okay, so camera will not have any type of animation. Camera will follow the object. Okay, so let's begin how to do that. Now, let's say we are having this one and oh, my snappings are on. Turn off the snapping. Let's say this is your car, okay, which you already have in your architectural designing course, right? You already created this type of car. Now, yes, obviously. If don't, then we need to make it in mind. Okay, so we will travel this one here. Let's make it here and make it here like this. Okay. Now, see, I am going to create one animation over here. So how I am going to make it? Make it very simple. Either you can take it from the top view like this or from the left view where you are comfortable with. So in my case, I am comfortable on the top. So what I will do, first frame, as we already discussed about the animation keyframes, how the animation keyframes are working, right? So here what I'm going to do, I am just try to add auto key. Okay. So that the workflow will be very easy. You don't need to assign the single animation keyframes again and again, right? So I will just turn this on auto key. Now you will see the red light is getting highlighted over here. This red line. Now what I need to do, first frame, I don't want to do any type of animation. Maybe possible on the 10th frame or the 5th frame, I want to move it little bit forward like this. Okay. Now again, 15 to 20 frame is fine for me. I will make it little bit more forward like this. Now 20, 25 or 30 frame, I will make it little bit more forward. Now you will notice I am not applying any keyframes over here. Now moving forward till 40 frame and it will go like this till here. So you are end up with turn off this first, this type of animation. Play this one. Okay. So in my case, this is a car. Right now, everything is done. Now I will turn on, just wait, Alt W, just go here. Now you will notice we are having something like this. So really small. Yeah, because the one that we keep adding. Yeah, because I calculated the frame, that's why. 0, 15, 30, 15, 20, 25, that's why. 5 frame gap I give. Okay. That's why. If you will also do, you will get the same result. Now, once we are having this one, now I need to add the camera. As I told you how to add the camera, just go over here on the top view, right? So I will select this one because I need to follow with the car. So I will select this one and I will align VREF physical camera from here. And my camera is looking to the object right now. Okay. Now from the top view is totally fine. If I will come here in the perspective and if I will press C on my keyboard, you can see my car. Yeah, the camera is looking to my object. Okay. Now from here, I can set it like this. I can move it like this. Or from left view, you can make it little bit more up like this. Okay. Now select this one and make it little bit more forward. Okay. So maybe possible we can make it little bit more close. So I will make it like this and from here I can control it like this. Now all my setups are done, right? Now if I'm going to play it, what will happen? What happened? Okay. So what we have here, if I am going to play this one, you will see my object is going, but my what is happening? Camera is still there. Okay. Yes. So let's make one more setup so that you can understand more easy. So from the top view, okay, I will just go to my perspective. Now I will just add some cylinder over here that will behave as a tree. Yeah. Yeah. But yes. Yeah, definitely you can do that. Okay, without doing any animation, only you need to animate the object. Okay, so number of copies, let's say I am going to take 5. I have this one and a little bit more like this. So I'm going to make it approximately 3. Now, if I will go to my camera, now you are having something like this so that you can see the trail, how the things are going around. So from the top view, I will set this one and make it a little bit more inside. And from the left view, I will make it down like this. Okay. Now, if I'm going to play, you will notice still we are having this frame like this. See, my camera is still there. It is not moving. Now, what we need to do, once we are having this one, I will just go back from here and I will play it like this, right? Now see, nothing happens till now. So in 3ds Max, we need to link it. Okay. How we are going to link it? See, in this camera, as I told you, we are having two things. One is the camera and second is the focusing point, right? So what I will do, I will go here inside this, set a link. Okay. I will select this one. I will select this object. Now you can see it will highlight. If I will press left mouse button, it is asking to link with something. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I will link it with this object. Okay. Now I will press enter or click it. Now you will notice we are having the camera, but the camera is behaving not correctly because we need to correct this one as well to this object. Yes. Otherwise, what will happen? The same camera is there. The camera will go like this. So what we need to do, we need to make it this one as a parent. So the whole line of the camera should be connected with the link. Yes, with the object which is moving. Okay. So if I will press Alt W and from here, if I'm going to make the link with this object and click it here. Now again, one more time, if in case it's not happened. Now we are having something like this. Now you will see how the smooth camera animation is happening. Okay. So very easily you can do the camera animations, right? And we are not making any camera animation. You only move the object here and there. That's it. Any problem? I hope I'm clear to everyone. Okay. So only you need to connect with the object. That's it. Okay. This one, this link to. Okay. So you need to use this one to connect with the object. Hmm. About link process. See, link process is like this. Let me go back from here. Right now, let me go back here. See, right now my object is not linked, right? So what I will do, I will select this one, right? This one. You need to turn out from here. I will select my camera. I will link it over here like this. And this point, don't link with another part with your rectangle or with the square. Otherwise, it will not connect. Okay. Now just go back from here. You will see you are having this type of animation. Okay. Now, second thing, first try this one, then I will discuss second thing with you.